Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Example 1. Technically, goal-seek is a process of calculating a value by performing what-if analysis on a given set of values. For our purposes, Excel's goal-seek feature lets you adjust a value used in a formula to achieve a specific goal. Calculating the terms of a loan is a good example of a what-if situation.
Take our lead.
You can use goal-seek to determine what interest rate you will need to secure in order to meet your loan goal. If you know the result that you want from a formula, but are not sure what input value the formula needs to get that result, use the goal-seek feature. Note, goal-seek works only with one variable input value.
Take our lead.
Excel goal-seek does not change the formula, it only changes the input value that you supply to the by changing cell box. If goal-seek is not able to find the solution, it displays the closest value it has come up with.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The Excel Istext function returns true when a cell contains a text, and false if not. You can use the Istext function to check if a cell contains a text value, or a numeric value entered as text. Test for a text value. A logical value, true or false, equals Istext value.
Take our lead.
Goal-seeking is the process of finding the correct input value when only the output is known. The function of goal-seeking can be built into different kinds of computer software programs like Microsoft Excel.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Manual goal-seek. Click Data greater than what-if analysis to goal-seek, to open the goal-seek tool. In the goal-seek window, set the following parameters. Set cell, E12. Click OK to run the goal-seek. Click OK again to close the goal-seek dialog box.
Take our lead.
Goal-seek requires three components: a formula to run values through, a target value to achieve, and a cell that it can change while testing the values. The cell to be changed must be referred to in the formula.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.